Buenos días, estudiantes. Esta es la asignación de hoy. This is the assignment for today. So you are going to do a web quest. In other words, this is just an internet-based research on comida rápida, fast food. So you and a friend are on a trip to Mexico and you've decided that you want to try out Burger King in Mexico. But before you go into the restaurant, you're going to look at the menu and choose what you want because you want to make sure you're ready with your order, because this is going to be the first time you and your friend are ever speaking in Spanish in a Burger King. So to get you started, the first thing you need to do is go to the website for Burger King in Mexico. So when you click on this link, it is going to take you to this website, okay? Now you'll notice in your assignment, I've actually put screen captures of the actual website to help you see where you need to go, okay? So the first thing is you and a friend are going to order hamburguesas, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website and select the button that says a la parrilla, and you are going to choose 2 hamburguesas, and you're going to write the ingredients of those 2 hamburguesas, and you can follow my model. So here's mine. Mine's called a guacamole crunch king. So you can't do this one because I have done this one, okay? Let's go here. I click on a la parrilla, and there is my hamburger. When I click on it, I see in here is a description. So you're going to read that description and you're going to pull out the ingredients. So here we have carne a la parrilla, cremoso guacamole, lechuga fresca, etc., and cebollitas crujientes. You go back into your assignment and you just make a list of those ingredients. So you see I've made it here, carne a la parrilla, cremoso guacamole, etc. Okay, and so you can write it as a list. You need to write this in Spanish, okay? So once again, you cannot use this example because I am using it. You are now going to choose 2 hamburgers, and you're going to do this just as I did. Now, you do not need to include a picture. I know some of you have difficulty with your computers for different reasons, but it would be nice if you put the picture. So if you can, put the picture. If you can't, it is okay, all right? And you see you have several other hamburgers to choose from, okay? So we get the Whopper, Big King, Bacon King, Chipotle King, Stacker King, the whole thing, okay? So now you need a side order. Here you're going to go back to the menu and you're going to select complementos, that's up here. And you'll see once again, here are some side orders, okay, that go very nicely. You've got a choice of 5, okay? Here's the one that I did. You cannot do mine, which is papas supremas. So they consist of papas, salsa, queso, tocino, and cebollitas. Last up, so both of you need 2 separate sides, okay? They need to be different because we're trying to expose ourselves to lots of vocabulary. And then we go to postres. When I go to postres, I go here, okay? And I see I have a lot to choose from, okay? So you cannot use mine. I picked the apple pie, all right? And so here it is, un relleno de manzana, costra de hojaldre, se sirve caliente. Pick 2 desserts, they need to be different. Last thing you need to do. Now that you have picked your order, I need to make sure that you understand what you're ordering. So you're now going to translate that into English. So for example, all the way up here, it said, carne a la parrilla. I go to, or let me do this one with you. Cebollitas crujientes, right? So I know cebollitas means like onions, little onions, but I don't know what crujientes means. So I go to Spanish Dict, I put that in there, and there we go. That's the way you say crunchy. So you can use Spanish Dict to help you, translate these things looking, one word at a time. All right. So for each of your meals, you're going to make sort of like an English menu translated for yourself so that you know what you're ordering. Okay. So one is your order and one is your friend's order. And that is it. If you have any questions, please stop by office hours. Que tengan un buen día.